Round 1, chain 26. Round 2, 23 double crochets in third chain from hook. Three double crochets in one stitch. Twenty-two double crochets. Double crochet increase. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Round 3 to round 17, 50 double crochets. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Round 18, 50 double crochets. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 19, 50 single crochets. Slip stitch. Fasten off and leave an end. Drawstring, chain 75. Round 1, magic ring. Five single crochets. Slip stitch. Fasten off. Round 2, new color. Chain 1. 3 double crochets. Chain 1. Slip stitch. Five times. Slip stitch. Round 1, chain 10. Two double crochets in third chain from hook. Six double crochets. 4 double crochets in next stitch. 6 double crochets. 2 double crochets in last stitch. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Round 2, 2 double crochet increases. Six double crochets. 4 double crochet increases. Six double crochets. 2 double crochet increases. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Round 3, double crochet. Double crochet increase. Twice. 6 double crochets. Double crochet. Double crochet increase. 4 times. 6 double crochets. Double crochet. Double crochet increase. Twice. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Round 4, 2 double crochets. Double crochet increase. Twice. 6 double crochets. Two double crochets. Double crochet increase. 4 times. 6 double crochets. Two double crochets. Double crochet increase. Twice. Slip stitch. Round 5, chain 3, slip stitch, 44 times. Slip stitch. Work a round of purple yarn between round 4 and round 5 with slip stitches. Petal 1, chain 19. (17) single crochets in second chain from hook. 3 single crochets in next stitch. 6 single crochets, single crochet 3 together, seven single crochets, two single crochets in last stitch, slip stitch, petal 2, chain 8, six single crochets in second chain from hook, 3 single crochets in next stitch, six single crochets, slip stitch, stem, chain 8, seven single crochets in second chain from hook, leaf, chain 6, single crochet in second chain from hook, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, grab your sewing needle and drawstring. Weave that string through the 18th round of your main piece. Time to pair up those pretty flowers. A dab of glue will keep these flowers together. Take your main piece. Glue that oval piece onto the base. Stick on flower stem, leaves, and flower pairs.